the very people ebeboa wo no kura no they are misinformed. Enti ade no obi akra so wontimi nye bi obi te Ghana to date onye Ghana ka nye se wonya opportunity but ya ka ten say enye ti wono so onye mo sorry so a mo be fa Ghana na mo de akwa to Europe but Europe omo fundamentals identity enti na wo abruchire kuro bia mu nwoma a policy hu ano achew because omo believe say wunim nwoma na identity ye nimu a wo akonya so di boni fa ho di eni nti si enya chew na woni bia omo azimu se ne boni bia di asi ba bia ye hu ni pakoro nsese wa because ye nimu identity awa akora usuro boni go onim se ade bia onim se security unim say ade we me koya ye hwehwe me ebehu me menye. There are so many people omo nya boni enkomo bedi na so police station esi omo fie achi nti onim say ebeche no what did they make another and that identification security am I as people. But we have a political party who sees what is good for the country as their enemy. NDC, and they fought against it. They got a stubborn academy. A whole MP comes on national television, say they stubborn academy. It's like they are politics in the age. And the Captain Smart and someone called a car yesterday. The president is into Galamsey. BNI show Eba and Eba. Maybe you know what we don't know. If indeed the president is into Galamsey, you have evidence to prove that. Then we take the president on. So what is wrong? What is wrong? I say bloggers they should be disciplined because your airwaves I say today it is better listen to a blogger on Facebook than to listen to a radio station or because they are paid and they only say what the paymaster wants to hear. And until a Captain Smart ni ku omani ku guase ewu asem. What sort of life are we living for the future? Posterity will judge us. Or to one up, or them penny fire trappier deep presidency attempt, can't influence unprintable works. Actually, presidency no. Obia journalist be Pia Bontia Babeka. Said they all yenye. Have you wondered why today a Caribbean and social media no diatem? That is the result of what Captain Smart is doing. Oba now wababe pet public sympathy, populist approach. We are building a nation. We are not building a party. Of course, we should be building a nation. I agree. But I give him that say we are building a nation. But I take it back. So nation builder no and young story won't set a good example for kids to learn. Now they would attempt the day now they two mutrim say would you nipa now to one man. Just a bias in factory and son didi. Captain Smart during Muhammad's time, what catch say Muhammad they the worst president ever. Nanado eba ye wosik Ghana, the history of Ghana, President Papa Bia Nuoche Mahama. So the you that you are listening to him tomorrow, Obesa Kacho said the best president ever is Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you, the you listening to Captain Smart or catch they say the worst president in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. And then was it the best president in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. Same person. And then we'll catch us say the worst president in the history of Ghana, Akufo-Addo. Tomorrow, we'll catch us say the best ever, Akufo-Addo. People, Abubo Madwin, Ayo Madwin say, Omode, Omaya Kokotako. They Ombe were desperate politicians. And indeed, wow, pay power at all costs. No, abeju sika. Ojo abeju sika na afi nti okwa de wo pesa wote no eno no obeka kire. This is not journalism. This is propaganda. Because and someone or more yet to your airwaves in this one. Then you ask yourself, say, I am passer, but who catch them and say, Papa in your way, Miss me, I see when I go out. I see roads being tarred. I see hospitals being built. I see schools being built. I see factories. Now catch them say factory back won't see ya. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? They mean who you know a nation building, and they one of the basic foundation of nation building is identification. And no na country be a person, factory be a person ba ukruma, and there or share any with data system. If you have a problem of identification, it's scare investors, because say me a banker, me man loan, me buy, and I give people loan. How do I find them? I buy way by say let's build from the start. Mumbai identification system, and they are dear here, and until a Ghana card, Microphobia say, because the journalists in the country, the paid stomach journalists in the country, I wouldn't even call them bloggers who sit behind consoles and call themselves journalists, are talking against it. So the then Enna MPP Enlusu that vote. Oko Elembele MP stood Ojina kase mekum etia galamse. Sesi a papa no menoka Elembele former MP. Sesi o ye DC wo. You know why? The citizens around Elembele for catch them and say, "Wo ye be twa banetia because you are fighting against galamse." Ye ba MP about one so go to Elembele. Nehwe said ye Nanado vote and depreciate ye ewo. Nekohwe said the Nanado vote and depreciate ye ewo. And the people indeed voted against their MP. Those beating the war drums. Those beating war drums. Monso na moye vulnerable. Mon na ntokwa sisi cream. Muhu wase. And you walk with Chantrato or Montpeniso. Na say a chewa. A man for a big honum say, hey, journalism is under threat. Under what threat? Do you think say we are journalists until you are above the law? Because we are journalists until we are above the law. And then I make church say journalism no and you what you authenticated the news how they got to Jano. Now they are better to. If you who may see this point to pay, you are not a journalist, you are a blogger. So we cannot call Captain Smart a journalist. He is a blogger. So the journalists in the country should see him as such. You won't say when you're a journalist or a blogger. Because so what you say, wouldn't one tipo ukrano by your own imagination and how they can't say. And they are I see people that and you are 200 they be a OD president at them. Move to me be a man no bab on Timbeka.